Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's repair is a 2021 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi. And upon further inspection, the radiator is leaking. So let's get into it. All right, using a 10 millimeter hex and a hose, so we're not draining it directly on top of this electronic air dam. We'll go ahead and get the radiator draining. Next one, we're going to remove the radiator cover. There's about 12 plastic clips. The plastic cover does have a catch, so you can shove it to the back of the vehicle and out and away it should go. Next, we'll remove the upper radiator hose. We'll remove the coolant reservoir hose, and we'll disconnect our radiator fan. Next, we'll unbolt the radiator fan. There are two 13 millimeter bolts, and then we'll be able to pull the fan straight up. There are two tabs near the, there's a tab near the bolt. All right, next, underneath the vehicle, we're going to remove the lower radiator hose. Next, we'll unbolt the radiator. There's two 13 millimeter bolts on each side. There's two more bolts. There's a 12 millimeter on the condenser, and then there's a bracket with a 10 millimeter. $10 millimeter bolt on the side. And there's one more 12 millimeter bolt. All right, now let's see if we can't separate the condenser and the radiator. All right, we got our new radiator. We've swapped over all our rubber mounts for the bolts and the two mounts on the bottom. And we'll get it put back in place. All right, we got our condenser, we got our radiator and our condenser back together. Now we'll put all our bolts back in. We'll start with our two 12 millimeters on the front. All right, next we'll work on our two 10 millimeter bracket bolts. And we'll put our two 13 millimeter bolts back in. Make sure they're probably just wind deflectors, really. Make sure that your air dams are back in place down at the bottom. All right, we'll go ahead and put our lower radiator hose back on. We'll put our radiator fan back in place. We'll plug it in. Put our upper hose back on. We'll put our reservoir hose back on. We'll go ahead and put this plastic back up. Just got push pins in it. All right, well, that's going to wrap up the radiator. This is actually not super hard to do. A helping hand is nice on some parts, but it is not that bad. It costs about 2.2 hours. Parts can range from about 180 up to about $500, depending on where you get it from, and about 2 to 3 gallons of coolant. Anyway, I was going to wrap it up. You came for the car repairs, stayed for the beard. We'll see you on the next one.